in fancy dress. Second prize, Adira K. Along with, she gets second prize in leaders identification. Third, Pritika S. Along with, she gets consolation prize in fancy dress. KG1 level leaders identification competition. Inia DR got first prize. Along with, she gets consolation prize in fancy dress. Third prize, Sheshant SA. Along with, he get consolation prize in fancy dress. Fancy dress competition, consolation prize, Inia N, Kritik M, Nainika P, Pragya S, Sanvika K, Yalini Siddharth, Ponnarpavi R, Vedar Darshan, DM Dia. KG2 level coloring contest. First prize, Inia S. Along with, she get consolation prize in fancy dress. Second prize, Kritiv LG. Along with, he get second prize in National Leader Photo Identification and second prize in fancy dress competition. KG2 level National Leaders Photo Identification Competition. First prize, Nitin S. Third prize, Shubhashri M. Along with, she get third prize in fancy dress competition. KG2 level fancy dress competition. First prize, Mauridan S. Along with, he get third prize in coloring contest. Fancy dress competition consolation prize, Rohit N. Grade 1 level English oratorical competition. First prize, Kaviyalini GR. Along with, she get consolation prize in fancy dress. Third prize, Ridan ST. Grade 1 level drawing competition. First prize, Yalini GD. Along with, she get consolation prize in fancy dress. Third prize, Imaya V. Along with, she get consolation prize in fancy dress. Third prize, Sugitan D. Along with, he get consolation prize in fancy dress. Grade 1 level fancy dress competition. First prize, Jashvika Sri SP. Along with, she gets second prize in English oratorical competition. Second prize, Arav P. Third prize, Hashwin K. Consolation prize for fancy dress, Harshat B. Ilandiran K. Kavin Kumar T. Mugil JK. Prithil C. Ritwin Karthik DS. Ashwika M. Magilini DV. Pavisha S. Sasireda E. Agaramudalvan V. Sugavarsha R. Muktika Sri G. Grade 2 level Tamil oratorical competition. First prize, Aradhana S. Along with, she gets second prize in fancy dress, third prize in drawing competition. Second prize, Dikshidhar M. Along with, he gets second prize in drawing competition. Third prize, Pondiya Shri. Along with, she gets third prize in drawing competition and consolation in fancy dress. Grade 2 level drawing competition. First prize, Dharan Counter R. Along with, he gets consolation prize in fancy dress. Grade 2 level fancy dress competition. First prize, Shashwant KS. Third prize, Pritish SS. Consolation prize, Abhimanyu Sai Saran P. Anbu SK. Ilangumaran K. Pranithan V. Pugal Adityan VS. Sarvesh Gugan AY. Shiara I. Sriniti P. Grade 3 level English storytelling competition. First prize, Mugund P. Second prize, Mugul P. Along with, he gets second prize in patriotic song competition. Third prize, Ashwin SM. Grade 3 level patriotic song competition. First prize, Nishant SA. Grade 3 level drawing competition. First prize, Sri Adit SP. Along with, he gets third prize in patriotic song. Second prize, Via MV. Third prize, Prajit P. And third prize is shared by Hamrish RK. Grade 4 level English essay writing competition. First prize, Kavina S. Along with, she gets first prize in patriotic song competition. Third prize, Kaviyalini B. Along with, she gets third prize in patriotic song competition. Third prize, Kavimugilan B. Grade 4 level patriotic song competition. Second prize goes to Ponmogit B and third prize Sumant M. Grade 4 level drama competition. First prize Kaviyalini B, Kavimugilan B, Ponmogit B, Harini R, Kavina S, Nainika R P, Prabhashri P and Sudarshana R. Second place goes to Akshit Roshan G, Dhanush A, Kritiv B, Nishant S, Ritesh M, Sai Sharma SK, Sumant M, Pugalini K, Yalini GK, Shashwant K. Harinishri S. Along with she gets second prize in National Leaders and Freedom Fighters Photo Collection Competition. Grade 5 level National Leaders and Freedom Fighters Photo Collection Competition. First prize Yalini JK and third prize Shashwant KK. Grade 5 level Greeting Card Making Competition. First prize Chidambara N. Second prize Shubhashri SA. Along with she gets third prize in Tamil Oratorical Competition. Third prize Tanushri SK. Thank you.
Reformer Metric High Secondary School, LKG level patriotic song competition. First prize goes to H. Mahilini of LKGA. LKG level song competition, and second prize goes to P. Vinya. Vinya got third prize in patriotic song competition LKGD, and third prize goes to NK Danvika LKGC. Fancy dress competition, consolation prizes: T. Adavan of LKGE, D. Puhalinian of LKGB, M. Pragit of LKGB, S. Daksha Shri of LKGB, T.S. Aganya of LKGB, J. Prativ of LKGB, D. Lavantika of LKGB, D. Purvika of LKGB, R. Radha Magadi of LKGB, B. Adira of LKGC, R. Dashwant of LKGD, P. Mahisha Shri of LKGD, P. Aditi Nirban of LKGD, L.M. Sanvi of LKGD, R. Ashwin of LKGD, G.K. Nithwin of LKGD, S. Magilan of LKGE, M. Ila Mugilan of LKGE, S. Nilan of LKGE, V.K. Kavinya of LKGE, and K. Magilini of LKGE. UKG level patriotic song competition. First prize goes to R. Cabrilla Jocelyn, UKGD. She got consolation prize in fancy dress. Second prize goes to DP Shashtika Shri of UKGA. Shashtika Shri got third prize in fancy dress competition. And third prize goes to P. Dugilan of UKGC. Dugilan got consolation prize in fancy dress. UKG level fancy dress competition. First prize goes to S. Advika Shri UKGE. First prize shared by two students, S. Advika Shri of UKGE and Nirushana of UKGE. And second prize goes to N. Kabishna Shri of UKGE. Fancy dress competition consolation prizes: A. Pratiksha of UKGB, SS Sabarna of UKGB, M. Yalini of UKGC, K. Sakhidev of UK, Mahashri of UKGE, and V. Tamili of UKGD. First standard first prize goes to Kishav got consolation prize in fancy dress. And second prize goes to Molly K. Adira of first standard D. First standard goes to T. Tulasi Devi of first standard D, and second prize goes to C.D. Sarvajit of first standard C, and third prize goes to E. Rugashini of first standard C. Consolation prize for first standard level fancy dress: M. Lakshan for standard B, M. Nishan for standard B, R. Prajit for standard B, Yadish Aditya for standard B, M. Lakshika for standard B, P. Gnanavel for standard B, S. Magilan for standard C, Shri Rio for standard C, S. Rakshana for standard C, S. Rakshan for standard C, T. Krishika for standard D, P. Pooja Shri for standard D, N. Sanjana Shri for standard D, and Nitra of first standard D. Second standard level drawing competition. First prize goes to G. Vishnu of second standard E, and second prize goes to N.K. Yugadhiran of second standard E. Yugadhiran got third prize in fancy dress competition, and third prize goes to K. Geethan of second standard C. Second standard level fancy dress competition. First prize goes to SP Nikashini of second B, and second prize goes to S. Magudanayagam of second D. Consolation prize second standard level fancy dress, B. Gautam second B, RR Hemant second C, NK Kanishka second C, R. Shivanya second D, V. Tarunya second E, and T. Arunya second E. Third and fourth standard level Tirukural recitation competition. First prize goes to R. Maunishka, fourth F, and second prize goes to B. Apvika of third E. Apvika got second prize in patriotic song competition, and third prize goes to S. Samriti of fourth standard C. Third and fourth standard level patriotic song competition. First prize goes to P.V. Yalisai of fourth D. Third prize goes to J. Pratiksha of third C, and Jeffrina Angel of fourth F. Third and fourth standard level national leaders and freedom fighters photo identification competition. First prize goes to D. Nalan of fourth E. Second prize goes to J. Priyadarshika of 4th F, and third prize goes to S. Sugant of 4th C. Fifth standard level Tirukural recitation competition. First prize goes to N. Sabarish of 5th E. Sabarish got second prize in National Leaders Freedom Fighters Photo Identification competition. Second prize goes to M. Kon Tanishka of 5th F, and third prize goes to V. Tanushya of 5th F. Fifth standard level patriotic song competition. First prize goes to K. Shashmita, 5th standard F. Shashmita got third prize in National Leaders Freedom Fighters Photo Identification competition. Second prize goes to T. Pranav of 5th E, and third prize goes to P. Anunita of 5th E. Fifth standard level National Leaders Freedom Fighters Photo Identification competition. First prize goes to S. Pranita of 5th D. Sixth and seventh standard level Tamil oratorical competition. First prize goes to R.S. Pragalya, 7th G. Pragalya got second prize in fancy dress competition. Second prize goes to S. Sharmika of 7th G, and third prize goes to S. Vibisha of 6th F. Sixth and seventh standard level National Leaders Freedom Fighters Photo Identification competition. First prize goes to M. Midula of 7th F. Third prize goes to S. Shivani of 7th G, and third prize goes to Harshit Kumaran of 6th E. Sixth and seventh standard level fancy dress competition. First prize goes to S. Pooja Shri of 7th F, and third prize goes to P. Kanishka of 7th F. 8th and 9th standard level Tamil oratorical competition. First prize goes to M. Vinodita of 9th G. Second prize goes to D. Sudakshana of 9th G, and third prize goes to P.R. Ashwita of 8th G. 8th and 9th standard level National Leaders Freedom Fighters Photo Identification competition. First prize goes to S. Akshita of 9th H. Second prize goes to M. Dhanushri of 9th G, and third prize goes to M. Vinanya of 9th G. Eighth and ninth standard level drama competition. First prize by JS Divi and PR Ashwita team. Participants JS Divi 8th G, Ashwita 8th G, Abhi Varshini, N Pranisha now of 8th B, Prajan Arya of 9th F, R Darshan of 8th C, S Midun of 9th E, SM Kandasamy of 9th B, K Gogul of 9th B, and IR Bharat of 9th B. 8th C, S Monish 9th B, J Shantanu 8th A, S Sai Charan 9th C, S Kaveen Kumar 8th A, PS Kishore 9th.
March was best team, that judge Mrs. Karthik Ishmuji sir, she acted judge, that judge released the result. First place go to NCC master, also come and collect your prize. Master and ma'am, Mageshwaran sir and Kumudam miss, come and collect your prize. All NCC second place is go to 11th girls team. 11th girls team, school team, come and collect your second place prize from the judge. Now the judge madam வந்து 1 minute அது அனுபவம்.
Seriously, it was so difficult to choose யார் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணீங்கன்னுட்டு. அவ்வளோ அழகா பண்ணீங்க. So I just wanted to convey இந்த ரெண்டு டீம் செலக்ட் பண்ணதுனால மற்ற டீமை வந்துட்டு நான் லோவா பார்க்கறது இல்லை. All of you were equally good. அதில் இவங்க ரெண்டு பேத்துக்கு வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் சின்ன எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிரெடிட் அவ்வளோதான். சரியா? All the best. Thank you.
அகிம்சை முறையில் வீர சுதந்திரம் பெற்று தந்த காந்தி மகான்